Welcome to our next video. Before the kind of money we know today, coins, paper, and plastic cards from banks, how money originated, and how people managed in the past without it. Okay, let's start with fact number 1. Some money words have interesting stories behind them. For example, the word money comes from the Latin word monetar, linked to the Temple of Monetar, where the first Roman coins were made. The word salary comes from the Latin word salarium, which means salt money because salt was once used as money. Another word, buck, might come from when buckskin was used as money. Fact number 2. Before money became common, people used bartering. Bartering meant swapping goods directly, but it had a problem called the coincidence of wants. If one person needed something the other person didn't want or have, they couldn't trade. Here's a simplified version. Let's say there's a person named A who has a knife, and another person named B who has a bag of apples. If A needs apples and B needs a knife, they can trade. But the problem is that sometimes one person needs something the other person doesn't have. This makes trading hard. If A needs wheat but B doesn't need a knife, and even if A takes wheat from B by force, it's not trading anymore. So, to solve this problem without fighting, people needed something that everybody would agree to take. That's why money became important. Fact number 3. Long ago, instead of coins or paper, people used animals like cows, sheep, and camels as money. But when people tried to carry around 15 sheep in their pockets, it hurt their backs a lot, so people needed something smaller and easier to carry. And ease of use as well as durability have been the determining factors of what is and isn't money ever since. Various items used as currency over the millennia include gold, silver, stones, pelts, rice, salt, pepper, tea, cheese, hemp, barley, rum, beads, knives, arrowheads, and teeth. Fact number 4. Over time, metal coins emerged in Asia, followed by experiments with more portable forms like leather and eventually paper. Today, we've moved toward intangible currencies due to technological advancements. However, the use of physical money has raised hygiene concerns. History suggests that currencies can carry various diseases and infections. This revelation raises health concerns, as money could serve as a potential medium for transmitting diseases and outbreaks of pandemic. Number 5. The person you most often see on money is Queen Elizabeth II from England. Her picture appears not only on British money, but also on money from other countries. While only 9% of all money shows women, 63% of that featuring women is the Queen. She first appeared on Canadian dollar notes when she was 8 years old in 1935. Her picture is on banknotes from different countries like Australia, Jamaica, Hong Kong, New Zealand, Cyprus, Bermuda, and Scotland. Her appearance on various banknotes shows how she's grown up over the years. Number 6. Not only humans but monkeys also understand the concept of money. Scientists taught monkeys about money by giving them rocks to exchange for food. In one experiment, monkeys got upset when one got a less tasty treat for the same rock as the other. In another test, male monkeys used their coins to get females' attention by giving them free rocks for love and friendship. Fact number 7. Although people think having lots of money makes them happier, studies suggest that having a lot of money can make people less generous. While having some money makes people happier, having too much might make them less giving. It's important to find a balance between having money and being kind to others for our overall happiness. Fact number 8. You can earn money by money, but if you have the right strategies, hard work can't give you much results if you don't have an investment. In 2017, Oxfam, a group fighting poverty, said that by the next year, the top 1% would have more money than the rest of the world. That prediction came true. Now, 1% of the world has more wealth than the other 99%. Also, in 2023, 8 of the richest men own the same amount of money as 3.6 billion of the poorest people. This shows how just a few very rich people have as much money as half of the whole world's population. Number 9. Money made from cotton. Most paper money is made from a blend of cotton and linen fibers, making it more durable than regular paper. The smell of money. There's a distinctive scent to freshly printed money, thanks to a mixture of ink and the paper used. Some people can actually detect this smell. Last fact. Number 10. Coins can cost more to make than they're worth. In some cases, it costs more to produce coins than their actual value. For instance, a U.S. penny costs more than 1 cent to manufacture. In summary, The evolution of money from bartering to the current intangible form has significantly impacted human societies. However, challenges persist, including wealth inequality and the potential health risks associated with physical currency. Achieving a balance between material wealth and selfless acts could be key to personal contentment and societal harmony. We hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and push the notification